Every day, you use money, but most people have no idea how money actually works. And that's exactly why so many people struggle financially. In the next few minutes, I'll explain money in the simplest way possible, so you'll never look at it the same again. Let's start simple. Money is just a tool. It helps us exchange value. Instead of trading apples for shoes, we use money as a middle step. You work, you get paid, and then you use that money to buy things you need. But here's where it gets interesting. Money doesn't just come from thin air. Most money is actually created by banks. When banks give loans, they create new money in the system. And most of this money is digital, not physical cash. Now here's the problem. As more money is created, each unit of money becomes less valuable. This is called inflation. That's why things get more expensive over time. Now think about this. Most people earn money and then spend all of it. They repeat this cycle again and again. And that's why they never build wealth. But people who understand money do something different. They don't just earn money, they make their money work for them. They save, they invest, and they grow their wealth over time. So money isn't just something you spend. It's a tool you can use to build your future. If you want to understand more ideas like this, explained simply, subscribe to Learn with Canvas. Because the more you understand, the smarter you become.